students, welcome to all. I am Neeta. Today I am going to start articles. So let's start the articles.
Articles. Students, today I am going to start articles. So let's start the articles. The words a, and, the are articles. There are two types of articles, definite and indefinite. A and N are indefinite articles. The is called definite articles. Articles a and an. A and an mean one. A and an are placed before countable nouns in the singular number. Example: a man, a dog, an owl, an ostrich. A or an doesn't come before an uncountable noun. Examples: give me a sugar. No, this is wrong because sugar is uncountable. She has an intelligence. Yes, here this sentence, the use of an is wrong because we can't measure intelligence. Okay. Now next, uses of a and an. We use a and an only with singular countable nouns. A is used before a singular noun starting with a consonant or consonant sound. A tree, a pen, a vase, a candle, a pencil, a glass. An is used before a noun starting with a vowel or vowel sounds. Students, do you know vowel sound and the consonant sounds? Do you know how many vowels are there in English grammar? Yes. Tell me, how many alphabets are in English grammar? Yes. There are 26 alphabets in our English grammar. In 26 alphabets, 5 are vowels like A, E, I, O, U. And except these vowels, all are consonants. Okay. Now, an is used before a noun starting with a vowel or vowel sound. An engine, an egg, an elephant, an ostrich, an inkpot, an orange. Third, we use an before words are and honest. When we pronounce these words, H remains silent and we use an with the sound with the second letter of the word, that is a vowel. Number 4, we use a before words that begin with vowel and give the sound of yo. Like, here are some examples. University, a uniform, a European, a useful thing. 5, we say a 1 rupee coin, not an 1 rupee coin, as we pronounce O in one as W in won. And the word won gives a consonant sound. So we use a before one. We never use a or an with these sounds. Okay, now uncountable noun. Uncountable noun, a plural noun, third, a proper noun. Examples: we write and we never write. First, give me milk. Give me milk. Milk is an uncountable noun. B. These are books. These are a books. Book is plural in number. So we never write these are a books. Okay. Now see, he is Vivek. We can write he is Vivek. We can't write he is a Vivek because Vivek is a proper noun. 7. We use a and an before adjectives. Like examples, Nisha is an honest girl. Kanchan brought a red frog. See, an ugly duckling came out of the pond. A new shop has opened in our locality. 8. We use a and an for jobs and occupations. Occupations का मीन्स होता है जो काम हम कुछ अर्न करने के लिए करते हैं. मीन्स जॉब या हमारे फादर या हमारे भैया या मम्मी वगैरह हम जो पैसा कमाने के लिए जो भी हम काम करते हैं, अर्न मनी, for earn money, it is called occupation or jobs. Like an engineer, an artist, an officer, an inspector. Okay. Use of the. We use the for the following conditions. Number 1. Before a particular noun when we want to particularize it. First, like I lost the pen that my sister gave me. I am not talking of any pen, but the pen with which I was writing. Yes. B. Switch on the fan in your bedroom. Here we are talking about a particular fan which is in your bedroom. Okay. Second, before adjectives in the superlative degree. We use the before superlative degree. Adjectives in the superlative degree. Like Mr. Gupta is the richest person in our town. Here richest is the superlative degree now. So before richest we use article the. B. The blue whale is the largest animal on the earth. Like this. Largest is the superlative degree and we use the article the before largest. Okay. Third, before the names of rivers, seas and oceans. Examples, the Narmada falls into the Arabian Sea. B. Sri Lanka is in the Indian Ocean. 4. Before the names of mountains, ranges, peaks and valleys. Example, the Himalayas have snow-covered mountains. B. The valley of Kashmir is rich in natural beauty. Okay, number 5. Before such nouns as earth, moon, sun, sky. Like examples, first, the earth revolves around the sun. Here, before earth we use the. Okay, article the we have to use. Now, B. The sky looks blue. Now, 6. Before the names of nationalities. A. The English defeated the Germans. Here, English is denoted a country. Number 7. Before the names of nations or countries. A. I like to visit the United Kingdom. B. The USA is a big country. 8. Before the names of holy books. Like the Ramayana was written by Valmiki. Here the Ramayana is a holy book, na? So we have to use article the before Ramayana. B. The Gita is a holy book of the Hindus. Here Gita is a holy book and we have to use the article the before Gita. Now 9. Before the names of newspapers and magazines. मैगजीन्स और न्यूज़पेपर्स के नेम से पहले भी हम द का यूज़ करते हैं. जैसे वी रीड द टाइम्स ऑफ इंडिया एवरी डे. हेयर टाइम्स ऑफ इंडिया इज द नेम ऑफ अ फेमस न्यूज़पेपर. ओके. नाउ 10. Before the names of well-known buildings or monuments. Example, we visited the Taj Mahal last week. Here Taj Mahal is a famous monument. B. The India Gate is in New Delhi. ओके. तो इंडिया गेट आप सभी को पता है कहाँ है, न्यू दिल्ली में. तो इंडिया गेट एक फेमस मॉन्यूमेंट है, एक फेमस जगह है, तो प्लेस है, तो इसलिए इसके नेम के पहले हम लगाएंगे द. नेक्स्ट 11. बिफोर द नेम्स ऑफ ट्रेन, शिप्स, एरोप्लेन्स. ओके. वी ट्रेवल्ड बाय द राजधानी एक्सप्रेस. किसी भी ट्रेन का, शिप का या एरोप्लेन के नेम से पहले भी हम द का यूज़ करेंगे. हियर राजधानी एक्सप्रेस द नेम इज द नेम ऑफ अ ट्रेन, सो वी हैव टू यूज़ द बिफोर राजधानी एक्सप्रेस. बी. The Titanic sank on 15 April 1912. Okay. 12. With phrases such as the first, the last, the next, the only. Example, who is sitting on the last bench? B. Animesh is the only son of his parents. 13. With a common noun when that noun represents the whole class. Like the rose is a beautiful flower. B. The lion is the king of animals. Here the rose and the lion express the whole family of the lions and the rose. So we have to use the article before these nouns. Okay. Before a noun which has already been introduced. उन नाउन से पहले भी हम द का यूज़ करते हैं जिससे हम पहले ही इंट्रोड्यूस हो चुके होते हैं, मीन्स जिनका हमें पहले भी जिक्र हो चुका होता है सेंटेंस में. लाइक दिस इज़ अ हाउस. द हाउस इज स्मॉल, क्योंकि पहले हमें बताया गया है कि यह एक घर है और यह घर छोटा है. अभी उसी घर की दोबारा बात हुई है, रिपीट हुई है वही बात, तो इसलिए हम यहाँ द आर्टिकल का यूज़ कर रहे हैं. ओके. नेक्स्ट 15. बिफोर द एडजेक्टिव्स यूज एज नाउन्स. A. The rich should help the poor. B. The brave are respected everywhere. Omissions of the articles. Article the is never used in the following conditions. A. With proper nouns. Ashok was a kind ruler. New Delhi is the capital of India. Second, with abstract nouns. Beauty, places are eyes. Health is wealth. With material nouns. Iron is a useful metal. B. Children drink milk. Note, whenever a noun, any kind of noun, is used as a noun, we have to use the definite article like the. आप सभी जानते हैं कि definite article क्या है? The. For example, water is essential for life. Okay, water is essential for life. In this sentence, the word water names a material, so we have not used any article with it. Okay. Next, the water in this pond is quite clear. The water in this pond is quite clear. Here, water has been particularized because here we are talking about a particular water pond. Okay, so here water has been particularized, so we have used the with it. Number 4, with the names of languages. Like English is taught all over the world. B. French is spoken in France. Note, when we say English, it means the English language. When we say the English, it means the English people. Thank you and have a nice day.
This is all about the topic. Now you have to do the exercise of this chapter in your notebook and book. Thank you and have a nice day.